Oh, I just saw the weight. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is another little pocket of Macau. I think they call it the Inner Harbor, I think, but maybe somebody might know more than me. But there's a lot of people fishing here, and then you have like kind of cool looking bike. And what we're gonna do is follow it all the way around to the side, and it looks like people can climb in there somehow. But yeah, actually it's kind of a cool looking view. It's not a tourist area at all. It's actually a little bit difficult to get here. And the people here feel more like harbor, has a totally different feel from other parts of the city. But it's really beautiful. Like, look at this harbor like that, right? But yeah, I know it's like there's more like people. I used to live in Korea, and there's like people that kind of spend a lot of time in the parks, just kind of hanging out, and some of them look like maybe I don't know, lower socioeconomic, I guess is the way to say it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen tourists up here before. And you can see some people fishing down there. So there's some people. They climbed over the fence and jumped over on this side. We'll walk down there. And other people jumped over the fence over there, and they're all in that area. Like that little string of them. Anyways, it's kind of cool. So we're gonna go check out these guys and see what they're getting. So let's just take a look. So it looks like they're fishing for something here. Let's just take a look and see. Oh, I guess they got their fishing line right there. So we'll go down and see. Let's see what they're trying to catch. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know what it is, but oh, I just saw the weight. So let's see. It's like they kind of got just like a normal wire. So they put something on that wire, and it looks like it has some kind of weight, and just kind of drop it in, and that looks like just something that you'd have in a building or something. So I don't know. I guess he's kind of trolleys back and forth. Oh, there. I don't know if you can see that weight at all. I don't know how you catch fish, because that would seem like that would disturb the water. Anyways, this is kind of cool. So yeah, pretty beautiful. So maybe we'll just try to see if we can capture that one more time, and maybe we'll just have this video be like a fisherman's focus. This guy's maybe fishing too, but let's see if we can catch him. So he has like a regular pole and some wire as well. Let's see what they can catch. If they can catch him here. It'd be kind of cool if he caught something. We'll just watch a little bit more. So I guess he kind of goes back and forth and just kind of like trolls along the wall with that kind of heavy weight. And I guess there's well, anyways, this is what this area looks like. think this guy's gonna fish later, I think. So he just threw it in. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna pull it up and see. And if he pulls it up a little bit, it means that he probably didn't get anything. Pretty cool though. Anyways. So okay, so yep, this is kind of interesting area, right? Oh, let me see what this one says. Oh, okay. Fishing this area shall incur a penalty. Okay. All right. Well, looks like there's a handful of fishermen in this area, so it's a pretty cool spot, though. Chiquinha, chiquinha.